Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. I was poking through Banggood not too long ago, and I was noticing some new items they had in there. They were interesting, to say the least, and I thought maybe I ought to reach out and see if they'd help me out building my next project. And they said yes. So, here's what's going on. You'll recognize that as a normal 5-inch prop. Here's what I'm working with now. That's a 13-inch prop. Banggood has graciously agreed to sponsor a X-Class build. This is going to be X-Class and on a budget. And I am super, super excited to do this and bring the process to you guys. So my question for my viewers is, how do you want to see this go down? Do you just want me to do a brief overview of bing, bang, boom, here it is, we're all together, here's what the parts are? Or do you want a slow, detailed build of everything I've done to this quad to get it up in the air and get it flying? Let me know. Put it in the comments below. I want to know. I'm really curious what you guys want to see. I am very excited and very nervous for this build. This is definitely outside of my my comfort zone. I mean, it's gonna be just like building a smaller quad, just way more on the line. This stuff's not cheap, but through Banggood and the products that they carry, it's not super expensive. So let me give you a quick rundown of the parts I'm going to use. So since I've already got this out, this is the GemFan 1310 prop. Pretty big prop. I didn't really grasp the severity or the reality of what I'm doing until I got these in my hands and realized that that's a 13-inch prop and that's a 5. This prop is as big as most of my quads. It's pretty darn impressive. These are the iFlight Zing 4214 400 kV motors. The motor itself, 260 grams. That's more than a lot of my quads weigh. This is a 500 milliamp 4S battery. I'm going to be running these in series to give me a 5000 milliamp 8S pack. I've already taken the XT90 off and I've put these connectors on. These are the anti-spark connectors. So these are the iFlight Success 80 amp 8S ESC. Flight controller is going to be the iFlight Success F7 Twin G BT. So it's an F7 processor. Twin G means it's got twin gyros. They're mounted 90 degrees from each other to help with tuning and filtering out vibrations. And the BT means it has the little squiggly lines. This is Bluetooth. This has SpeedEB Bluetooth built into the board. I know most people don't run PDBs anymore, but for a build this big with this much current, we're going to need one monster PDB, and this thing is rated up to 330 amps. For the FPV camera, I'm going to use my favorite camera, and it's this little guy, the RunCam Eagle Micro. The VTX is going to be the eSheen TX805S. I'm pretty sure this is what I'm going to go with. I may change my mind down the road. I'll see how it all lays out. FPV antenna is going to be the Lumineer Axi long range, I guess. This is the really long antenna that they sell. And of course, would any crazy build be without just LEDs? LEDs everywhere. Lots of LEDs. I love LEDs. These are from Tiny's LEDs. These are unbelievably bright LEDs, and they can run straight off 8S voltage. No regulator required. They get hot and they are bright. And they also have a little PDB for the LEDs. It makes it switchable off of your flight controller, so I can put all the LEDs on a switch. Wouldn't be complete without control link. This is the FrSky R9mm OTA receiver. This should pair really well with my X-Lite Pro and the R9M Lite Pro module. This is the iFlight 15 frame. These are the arms for it. These things are insane long. I mean, arms are 375 millimeters long. All right, guys, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for taking a look. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for my build on this. If you can't tell, I am excited and also a bit terrified of this thing in the end. We'll see what it looks like. Hey, and just for grins, guess how much this thing's gonna weigh in the end? I've got a rough idea, but let's see who can get closest. No prize on the line, but just kind of curious what you guys think. All right, thanks a lot for stopping by. Thanks for checking us out. Like, subscribe, click that bell icon so you get notified of when I put out more videos on this project. If you really want to support me, check out the products in the video description below. If you really want to support me, I have a Patreon page. Check it out. Let me know what you think. If you want to be a Patreon, that would be awesome. I'd really appreciate it. It'd really help me out. And as always, see you next time. Bye.